Hello once again dudes, my name is Emil and welcome to another CSS tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to make an animation using the webkin transition function. Now take a close look at this paragraph. It's saying animation without flash. Now that's what we're going to be doing now. So I'm gonna be doing a body which basically says like, alright, just gonna remove the center tag to save some room, and it's going to be like, alright, so we're going to put the text in the center. That's nothing new, and I'm going to create a box here, ID box, and that's the ID what we'll be using here, and well, I'm going to be like display, and we're going to make it block, and yeah, that's look fine. The width. Of course, I already understand what all of this means, so I don't want to explain it actually. Just gonna type down auto. Yeah, that's fine. And padding, that should probably be 15 pixels. Yeah, it looks fine. Text the line, center, border, 7, maybe 10 pixel, solid, red. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And background, black. Alright. So what we need to do now is to add, like, alright, so we're going to be continue the box, but this time we're going to be telling hover, so when we move our mouse over this, we're going to tell it to do something. So here what it wants to do. We're going to say like, alright, so we're going to have WebKit transition. So that means it's going to move to be something else than it is. Then time WebKit transform. So this means it's going to change form, and we're going to use 2 seconds on doing that. So this is actually what it's going to do. WebKit transform. So that's what it's doing here, and we're going to rotate it 200 degrees. Alright. So let me talk through this. All these settings we already know what it means. And then we said, alright, so when we bring our mouse over it, that's what the hover comes in. I already explained that. We're going to call the WebKit transition, and we're going to give 2 seconds to transform, and the transform is rotating 200 degrees. So let's go ahead and run this in Chrome. Didn't I color it? I should probably give it a color white, so we're able to see what it actually says. Alright, animation without flash. So as you can see, basically, when we bring our mouse over now, it's going to rotate it 200 degrees. And it's going to give it 2 seconds to rotate it that long. Now, if we go ahead and give it 1 second, it's going to do it more slow, or yeah, more quick actually. What if we give it 5 seconds or 6? Then you see, it will take its time to do it. Basically, here and 1.5 second is going to be really fun slow, right? Or quick, I mean. So whenever we go ahead and change the degrees down here, it says how much it should rotate. So let's go ahead and change this to 100. See, right now it moves this fast, and that long. But if we change the degrees and the speed, we can modify it so it only moves that long. What if we give it like 500 degrees? Then it will rotate some rounds, honestly. I'm gonna put 2 zeros here, and this is just going to be great. Are you ready? Just going to rotate and rotate and rotate and rotate, and going to rotate and rotate and rotate. So basically that's it for this tutorial, guys. This is a basic animation use CSS free WebKit. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.